This is beautiful. This is just beautiful. There's a wide green circle that has a green dot inside, and there's a red wide what do you call this, red circle that has a dot that is red inside. Let's forget about the black ones now. These ones, let's forget about them right now. Let's just focus on these two, the green one and the red one. So to my understanding, when I was listening to your voice notes, most of you do understand what is happening right here. So I want to explain to you clearly that what is actually happening right here. Before we come to this robot here, let's focus on this one. This green, let me just call it a green circle underneath, a green bicircle underneath. It's there to tell you that it's time to buy. And it's time to buy for a long term. Whenever it appears, it gives you a signal for a long term. Right? Same applies to this red one. When it appears, it gives you a circle for a long sell. So it's just doing its work. It's just trading. Know that when you apply your support and resistance, know that when it hits here, you're expecting a sell, and if it appears red, it will sell for a long time. You understand? So this is where this strategy comes in. This makes it wonderful, because you know that when this red one comes in, we are up inside for a long sell or a long trend. So you won't be trading like you are scalping, you're trading like you don't know what you're doing. No, you'll be trading knowing very well that I'm going in, I'm trading, I'm a Forex trader right now. I'm able to open my own institution. Right? Look at this, guys. Buy, buy. Sell, buy. Buy, buy. Sell, buy. Buy until. This is beautiful. So you just need to know your support and resistance. That's the only thing that you need to know. Support and resistance, and this, your life will never be the same again. Stop going around and looking for strategies. Let's continue. So this buy is for a long trend. Buy, also buy. Also, look at that. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Buy, and same applies to the sells. Right? So they are for the long term. Even if you do a back testing, or you go to your 4 hours. And guys, let me advise you with something, right? The best time frames to look at, I'm actually giving you the sniper's way part of the strategy for free. The best way to kill the market for a long run is to focus onto 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 day time frame. Study those, practice those. Don't be in a rush to go and make money. Study this thing, see how it works. It's just simple. It needs you to practice patience and just enter at your support and your resistance. Let's go to this black round bars. These ones. So what are they for? These black round bars are there for a pullback. They don't say the buy trend has ended. No, they tell you that, okay, since we are buying from here to whatsoever, when it appears, it tells you that, okay, now the buy season, it needs to cool down, it needs to breathe. Here's the breathe. It will continue. You understand? Here it came and continued from here up until that one, meaning that I'm able to come and buy here, not close here this buy, but continue selling here, then close the sell here when this appears, then I'm adding another buy from here till here with also this bar, with this buy over here. So this is how simple it is. So where does this one come from? The one that says buy here. Let's say, for instance, right, the market was falling. This would be a sell. The market falling. After this change into a buy, you look at your resistance and you look at this. You are in for a buy. So you just look at your support and resistance, and you look at this, and you look at this. You are in for a long buy, and you're making money. That's how I make money, period. That's how I wanted this to be simple. I don't want you to complicate it. I want it to be as simple as ever. When this appears, you are looking for buy opportunities. But how do you see buy opportunities? You're looking at your balls. Yeah, you're looking at your balls. But yeah, this is how simple it is. If you have questions, please do holler.